Hey cutie patooties, and welcome back to Cutie Nails, where everything we do here is all about nails. Cutie patooties, we have another PR unboxing. Today I'm gonna be opening up this box that was sent to me from Nail Reserve. I kind of popped it open because, like I said, I had a couple PR packages and I just didn't know which one was from who because I had them for a minute before baby came. But I am gonna go ahead and open these up. Y'all know how much I love Nail Reserve, formerly known as Nail Addict. Y'all know how much I love their products. I love the quality, consistency, formula. They are vegan, animal cruelty free, eco-friendly, and I just absolutely love the pigment in their polishes. You can definitely use these as well if you're wanting to do any types of nail art because they're just that great. I really love them. They remind me a lot of Madam Glam, but there is like a slight difference between the two. This is unique all on its own, and if you guys are looking for some great polishes, be sure to check out the description box for my discount code and the link, so that way you can just click on that link, head right on over to Nail Reserve's website, and don't forget to use my code so that way you can save some money. So cuties, these are all of the colors that they sent me. I'm just gonna put them in color order from the lightest to the darkest because of my OCD. But yeah, they sent me 8 bottles this time, and I was so grateful to get these. I'm really liking these colors, you guys. They're summer colors, but they're not super bright. They're really nice to pull off. Y'all see I'm using my Vita Bella practice finger. I already installed a tip, and I'm gonna be swatching these colors on this practice finger today. Getting right into it, we have Mythical, which it looks like it's a white, but it's kind of like an off-white. And so is Wanderer, but Wanderer has a bit of a shimmer to it. Tarot Card is a beautiful like wine tinted color. I really love this Love Potion. It's a very muted orange, which is very beautiful. Goddess is also gorgeous. It's on the red side, but more on the pinkish tone red side. Then we also have a Zodiac Sign, which is gorgeous. It's a very pastel-y type of pink color. And then we have a more brighter color, but not so bright, called Little Star, which is very beautiful. Very beautiful. And we also have Forest Spirit. I love this green. It's more like an alien type green is the way I can describe it, but I really love how beautifully all of these colors look. So now that we looked at the colors, I went ahead and did the building of the nails off camera. I also bought some stuff from Lissettes Gel Nails. If you guys don't know, she has her own hard gel line. She recently launched, I want to say a couple months ago, 3 additional colors, and I had to get them. First, I went ahead and opened them all up, and I chose Dusty Rose, which is very beautiful. I also got Wild Blossom. These are her 3 new colors. This is more of a nice neutral nude color. And then I also got the Brown Orchid, which is a beautiful brown warm tone, which I can definitely say I'm gonna use this for the fall. But I chose Dusty Rose to build these nails. I wanted something nice and pink, but not too super pink like my other colors that I got from her. So what I'm gonna do now is just gonna go ahead and go in with some base coat, my Nail Reserve base coat, to fill in any gaps from my shaping and filing. And then after curing that, I'm gonna go ahead and add their matte top coat that they sent me in a couple boxes ago. And I'm just gonna add a thin layer of that to just have a nice smooth matte surface to do my work on. Now that that's done, I'm gonna take my Born Pretty blooming gel. You guys saw me use a different one that I got from Amazon a while back, but I want to use this one this time and see how well it works, and I actually really like it. I just swatched out all of the colors on my mixing palette, and I tested out one nail first and I really like how it looked. I had a different like design in mind at first, but I didn't like how it looked. This looked more clean, and so I decided to just go with one color per nail. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add a layer of my Born Pretty watercolor gel, or blooming gel, as you can, you know, say, because it's blooming gel. And then I'm just gonna go ahead with my dotting tool and just kind of make these croc print lines in the nail, but it's just gonna be one line. So I really won't call this an animal print nail because I'm just doing like one line of it. But I'm just gonna go ahead and just generously add this blooming gel to the nail. You guys can see some of the colors from the previous idea that I had that I just had to go ahead and file off. But I'm just gonna go ahead and just add some more of that first color and then go in with my second color. And then we're just gonna continue to create some art and watch these colors blossom in this blooming gel. I really love this green, y'all. This green is super, super cute. I definitely want to use it again, but I may not make a video of me using it, and I may make a video of me using it. I don't know just yet. But what I did learn, you have to have a light hand with doing this. I thought it was more of like smudging into the blooming gel, but no, you actually have to float on top of it, just like you would if you were doing a marble design. Now, I didn't really like how the green turned out here, and it could have been because it's shiny. I don't think this type of nail art goes really well shiny looking. And then also, you know, just learning from my mistake of smudging in the green as opposed to just floating it above, because you guys can see how much better the pink blossom compared to the green. But you live and you learn, right? You live and you learn. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add some more of that green to kind of show the transition of that color to the other nail. And then I'm gonna go in with my third color. And you guys can see what I mean. I learned my lesson, and you guys can see how beautiful this color is blooming on this nail. So it's not about smudging and scraping into the blossom gel, it's more of floating the color on top of the blossom gel, which is going to get it to blossom perfectly. Now, I must say, cuties, I'm super proud of myself. I know the cuticles look kind of funny. I just did not want to get too close to the cuticle with my builder gel and mess up my brand new practice hand. I'm gonna get a little bit more confident about applying product to the cuticle area on this practice hand as I get more comfortable with it. But all in all, I think the set came out gorgeous. And like I said, I don't like how the shimmer looks on the nails when you're doing this type of design. So you know we're definitely gonna go matte, but not before we add some extra to these nails, because they looked a bit plain. Like you could have stopped right here, but they looked a little plain to me. You guys can see I'm using my Pottle Mini lamp to flash cure these nails, but before I went in with this Born Pretty glitter top coat, I did cure it for a full 60 seconds, and that is what the result is. And y'all see what I mean by that shiny look. Like, that glitter top coat took away from the art, but I knew once I went matte it was gonna work out just fine. And that's part of the reason why I'm like, I don't like this type of design shiny. But I'm just gonna go ahead and add a very super thin layer of this top coat to the nails, because I am gonna go on top of that with matte, and you don't want the nails to be extra bulky with layer after layer. But I'm just scrubbing this polish into the nails to give it a beautiful little background shimmer, and I'm gonna cure that for 60 seconds. Now it's time to pop this in the light for a full cure. But before I did that, I decided to go ahead and just add my QutieNails bling gel to the top of these and adhere just one beautiful iridescent rhinestone. It kind of shifts colors and it gives off all of the colors that's on the nails. So I'm just gonna add that here, and I'm gonna pop it in the light for 60 seconds, and we will be back with the finished look. I'm gonna take this opportunity, cuties, to say thank you again. You guys know how much I love and appreciate the fact that you guys have been supporting me and helping me along my journey to grow and learn how to do nails. I am self-taught. I have not been to school. Most of you guys know, my reason for not going to school, but I will get there eventually. But I want to thank everyone for your love and your support. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so if you like what you see. I post tutorials / my journey every Tuesday at 9 a.m. and sometimes some random videos here and there whenever I feel like I've missed you guys a little bit too much. But I want to say thank you to each and every one of you, my loyal subscribers, and to the new subscribers of this channel. Big shout out to all of you guys, and thank you so much as always. So I'm just going to go in with a layer of the matte top coat, and I can see areas on the pointer finger and the middle finger that got messed up from me having to you know, file off the first design. The shape is off. So after adding this matte top coat and curing it for a full 60 seconds, I just went ahead and just refined that shape again and applied another thin layer if I needed to, and cured it for 60 seconds, and then I was done. And I absolutely loved the look of these mats. It is absolutely gorgeous. You guys tell me what you think about this. I love how frosty it looks from adding the matte top coat. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do this set. I hope you like it. Be sure to comment down below, and as always, I'll most definitely talk to you in my next one. Bye.